President Trump made news with his executive order requiring return to office for all federal workers. But did you know the return to office mandate is already being challenged in court and it may not ever be fully realized? Trump signed an executive order that ended all telework agreements. But can he do that? Maybe not. First, many federal employees signed telework agreements during the pandemic. Now, the sudden shift back to work might violate those agreements. Second, unions are also up in arms. Forcing employees back without negotiating an agreement to do so could breach collective bargaining agreements. In fact, at least 2 unions have already filed lawsuits to block the mandate. One of the lawsuits was filed by the American Federation of Government Employees. In it, they argue that the mandate violates existing telework agreements and collective bargaining rights. AFGE is advising members to comply with the directive, but to file grievances if it violates their agreements. Another lawsuit challenges the Trump administration's Office of Personnel Management memo, which directed agencies to disregard telework provisions in union contracts. The OPM memo called these telework agreements likely unlawful and unenforceable, sparking legal challenges from unions. And what about employees with disabilities? Under the ADA, they need reasonable accommodation. Forcing them back could lead to legal challenges. So what can federal employees do? They can file grievances, request accommodations, or seek legal advice. But you need to act fast. Many of the procedures for challenging unlawful workplace practices in the federal government have very short windows. You could have as little as 45 days to report discrimination, so don't wait, or you might be stuck with no legal recourse. If you're facing these issues, follow me for more legal insights and share this video to spread the word. Let's navigate this together.